Want to know how to stay in South Florida for less than $40 a day? That and more on Lesbian Adventures. Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. My name's Lester and welcome to the channel Lesbian Adventures. If you like our content, please subscribe and thank you for watching. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're in a park called T.Y.park in South Florida. This is the sights right here. Like I mentioned earlier guys, look what you get for less than $40 a day. Look at this beautiful site. It's a county park run by Broward County. The beaches are literally about 10 minutes away. You get a full hookup, sewer, water, electricity. Park also offers this beautiful track that goes all around the park. I believe it's over 2 miles. A beautiful lake. There's a beautiful water park as well. I will go show you more on that later on. But yeah, look at this view. Very nice. That over there, my friends, is the Hard Rock. I will take you that later. Beautiful county park. Beautiful. There's just one major drawback. Hard to book. But if you manage to book, you're gonna be in sunny South Florida for less than $40 a day. All right, so let's go over the campground. Let me show you what you do get in this park. This park is beautiful. It's paved, it's clean, and you get all the hookups. So what makes this park special is the proximity of being to all the local attractions down here in South Florida. You're about 20 to 30 minutes from Fort Lauderdale, 10 to 20 from any beach, 30 to 40 to South Beach, Miami. And as you all know, South Florida is very expensive. So that's what makes this park special. Staying for less than $40, I mean, come on, if you have a family of 5, you do the math. Give you an idea how big the sites are. This is site 35. And you just look at this. Good 100 feet. There's a picnic table, everything is paved, nice and clean. Can't go wrong, guys. Can't go wrong. You got a very well maintained bathhouse / laundromat. They come with a code, so nobody else is able to go inside those bathrooms. Overall, everything is very well maintained, guys. This right here is your laundromat. Nice, clean. There's quite a few full-timers in here. Vending machine. Let's go up in the air and let's give you a better perspective how close we are to the beach and to downtown area and different perspective of the park. Let's go up. to it. This is called Dania Beach right here. That's Dania Beach Pier over there. Yeah. Florida life. Power of RVing, man. Nothing can beat that. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you on the road. Bye bye.